I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Tesla Model X cabin air filter. Gather tools and a replacement filter before you begin and work in a well-lit area. I will walk you through access points, safe removal of the old filter, and how to orient the new filter correctly. Expect simple hand tools, minimal time, and practical tips to avoid damage to clips and vents so you can breathe cleaner air faster. Start by opening the frunk and removing the necessary cover panels to expose the HVAC intake. Use gentle, steady pressure with a trim tool to release clips without cracking plastic. I will describe how to identify the filter housing and remove retaining clips so the old filter slides out smoothly. Keep screws and clips organized and use a flashlight to confirm orientation markings before pulling the filter free to avoid reinstall mistakes. On another note, quick recommendation. When you work on your Model X, keep snacks and parts organized with leak-proof meal prep containers for clean storage in the frunk. They are great for bolts, small tools, or a sandwich between steps, and they save you from greasy seats. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals, and if you found this helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Compare the new cabin filter to the removed one to confirm size and pleat direction before installing. Slide the new filter into the housing with the airflow arrow pointing toward the cabin and ensure it seats evenly without folding pleats. Reattach retaining clips and panels in the reverse order, tighten fasteners snugly, and run the fan to check for rattles or airflow obstruction. Finish with a quick inspection to confirm seals and cleanliness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.